Hey, this is Dallas with Critical Hit Pest Management, and I wanted to show you guys something today. I'm at a customer's house doing the regular pest service, treating the outside of the house, doing the regular thing for general pest. And this is the important thing about home ownership. If you see something insect-wise, you need to make sure you reach out to your pest provider so they can take care of you. But I was doing the inside of the garage, as you can see here, and lo and behold, just randomly coming by, I look in the windowsill and I see termite swarmers here. So how do we identify them as termite swarmers? Well, you can see that the wings are all the same distance and size. They are milky in color. And the other thing is the termite swarmers themselves, they're two segmented bodies. So ant swarmers would be three segmented, head, thorax, abdomen. But right here you see that you have just two segments for the termites. Now obviously this customer treated this area and he sprayed this down. You can see them all over here on the windowsill going up. He did treat them, but the problem is when they're swarming, that means there's an active colony somewhere in this given vicinity. So they could be inside this interior wall of the garage, going up in here, chewing and making some damage. In fact, just looking at it now, you can even see right here, there's mud tube activity right there. So the termite colony has made its way all the way from the bottom side, all the way up to right about here. And they're consuming the wood and everything back behind there. So I'm gonna have to break the news to the customer that you have termites and we need to get something done because this is an active colony. Once they start swarming, that's a mature colony. And these are the alates of the colony, so that means that they're going out and trying to reproduce and find another colony to start. So this is a mature colony, probably 2, 3, 4 years into the colony itself, if not longer, could be more. But it's a mature colony, so we're gonna have to do something. Gonna have to treat the inside and outside of this wall, treat the outside perimeter with a liquid application to get a good knockdown, quick kill. Probably do some interior work on the interior of the wall, and then install some bait stations around to put a nice protective layer on it and get them to start chewing that. So when I do that job, I will show you what that looks like. I'll show you the equipment and I'll show you the proper way how to get that done. Thank you guys.